Welcome to SiriusXM with 360L, the most advanced entertainment experience ever offered in Nissan vehicles. With an unparalleled variety of premium entertainment, innovative features that make discovery easier than ever, and a personalized experience for every driver, SiriusXM with 360L and Nissan make a great match. Discovering new content is easier than ever. Let's get started. First, select the music icon on the left-hand navigation bar and choose SiriusXM from the source menu. Next, let's learn how to browse for new content and navigate the home screen. From the Now Playing screen, press the channel up or down icons or just swipe the screen left or right to open the linear tuner. This provides a carousel of the available satellite and streaming channels to quickly and easily find and select the channel you want to listen to. Or if you know the channel number, you can select the keypad icon to directly tune to a channel. Browsing has been enhanced to simplify and make it easier and faster to find channels and content you love. For You provides personalized recommendations to help you discover channels, on-demand shows, and Pandora stations recommended just for you based on your listening preferences and favorites. Next to For You, you see the new super categories of music, sports, news, and talk that provide easy access to over 220 channels. Let's go to music. Here you'll choose the genre category such as pop, which allows you to quickly scroll through and select your desired channel. When you're listening to something you really love, tap Related on the Now Playing screen to discover even more channels, on-demand shows, and ad-free personalized Pandora stations to enjoy content related to the currently playing artist and channel. The fastest way to find any SiriusXM with 360L content, such as channels or personalized Pandora stations, is through SiriusXM's voice search, which is available by pressing the microphone icon in Browse, Related, and Direct Tune screens. For the first time ever in your Nissan, you can easily create your very own ad-free Pandora stations based on your favorite artists. Then give a thumbs up or down to the currently playing tracks to customize your listening experience. And if you're a sports fan, you'll be able to easily find and enjoy your favorite games live with just a couple of touches of your screen. Select Sports and then Live Sports category that gives you all of your favorite sports and/or teams in one location for easy access. A list of games currently live shows up, with the home team on the right, away team on the left. Plus, you can listen to the audio from either team's home broadcaster. Just select the team logo to change the feed, and you can switch between audio from the home or away team. So if you're out of town, you can listen to the announcers you know and love. If you prefer to listen to on-demand shows and interviews, just choose your category, and the on-demand content link will be right at the top. With SiriusXM with 360L, you can create or log into up to 5 individual profiles. Select the Settings menu to set up your SiriusXM listener profiles. Then use your 5 profiles to quickly and easily switch between SXM listener profiles for a personalized 360L experience by taking your favorites and listening history with you to any active 360L radio. Every SiriusXM-equipped Nissan vehicle comes with a 3-month Platinum Plan trial subscription, which includes the app that gives you access to even more content, like extra channels of music for every mood and SiriusXM video, including Howard Stern, and lets you listen both in and outside of the vehicle. It's really the best of both worlds. SiriusXM with 360L and Nissan. Welcome to the future of in-vehicle entertainment.